Morning, gents. All right. Morning. Do you know where's the changing room? The changing room?
Yeah, you see where it says fire exit?
Yeah.
Just past that on the right.
All right, appreciate that. Thank you. Okay.
Hello Bravehearth, welcome to Leatherhead.
Everyone's on the right by the teeth. Was that your who looked at the teeth like? Who's like, oh! No. Bro, it's tight. It's tight, man. It's my back. Oh, my back. John, my back. John.
How is that there, boys? Fellas, nothing to play for in terms of league position, playoffs, etc. But everything to play for in terms of how we finish the season, okay? In my opinion, since November onwards, we've done it right as a group. We're on a great run, come up short. I'm still gutted, I know some of you in here will be gutted that we have missed out, okay? But what this does now today, it takes us into next season. Those that come back, those that want to be here, today's important, so when we come back to pre-season, we're off the back of a good feeling, a good win, okay? The chemistry in here, the togetherness, the team spirit's been good, okay? I'm disappointed that the season's finishing now. I wish it was going on for another 10 or 12 games, okay? We fucked around with pre-season, we fucked around at the start of the season, but we have to make sure those that come back next season, we use this momentum and we use it to build, okay? There'll be one change from the team on Monday. Will you drop to the bench, Ibby? You come back in, start up top, down behind Ibby, okay? There's the team, okay? Subs. Matt, what time do you want them out?
2:15.
Okay.
Yeah, word. It's usually you at the end of the day.
Find out? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Or you want an extra one here or the other way around?
That should be okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hi lads, you alright?
It goes everywhere. You've all been there, I know that. Loads of positivity today. Let's go, one more. That's actually nice. Well done. Okay, flick them up at the back now, guys. Short and sharp today, short and sharp. Flick them up at the back. Popping them out. Good. Come on, we set a marker this today. We set a marker now for next season, yeah? How do you finish? Mark, you are fisherman, please. them up at the front. Good passing, yeah?
So before heading out, you want to make sure your bags are filled up with all the equipment, so the gloves, tapes and stuff. You want to make sure everything is controlled, in order, so that in case there's an injury, you can rush into a bag. Usually I don't use this bag, but a smaller version, because this is quite not heavy, but it's a bit, can be a bit uncomfortable when running the pitch. So I reckon that it's better to use a smaller bag. Again, just the minimum essential, just to support with the first aid to the player. If something gets more serious, you will have the bigger bag. Probably a colleague on the bench will come over and help you out. So yeah, make sure you got the bandages, tape, you got a jelly, which one? Yeah. This is wound congealer, kind of stops bleeding. Yeah, that's all. This is for, instead of water bottle, sometimes I prefer using this one on top of open wound, just to wipe off the blood. Eye spray, make sure that it's always full. Some people like it, some people don't. Mostly players feel better when you just spray it on top. It's sad to say that, but it's what we call placebo effect. There are however studies that show that eyes on immediate or impact injuries can relieve pain in a short or brief of time. Sometimes it's all in the head. Yeah, that's it. Then we'll have a water bottle that we'll take outside. Oh, someone pee on the floor. I fit in on this. Oh God. Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Birds are all over that side. Don't worry, we've got room to spread.
Watch out your head, you know.
No, we haven't got much room to stand, but we've got room to spread. The players, all the fight subs can sit over there.
That's over there for the family, didn't it?
All the best. Charlie? Where?
Stood in the reservoir.
Ankle?
Yeah.
How's it? It's hurting? He just hit you? I stood on it, okay now. You're alright, mate.
See.
Try to come on. Hit the ground a little bit. Now, give me a sec. How's it?
Yeah, good.
Hit the ground a little bit just to...
Yeah. Chance the ball's not going to come straight this way, okay? So give us a shout. If it's in this area, you can't come on. Right. If it doesn't, I'll give you straight on, yeah?
You got this. Yeah, it's alright.
Right, get it. No, it's 5.
Should let you in now. Yeah, go ahead. What is this? You're not a physio. This is the physio.
fucking about time!
Well done, Trav! Oh!
I think he took his last bomb at about.
You bleed this?
Yeah, a bit of blood on his lip.
Let's see that.
Got a tissue or something?
Yeah, I got something. That's for you.
Keep off that white bit, mate.
Yeah.
So it's your throw.
Want some water?
No, cool.
Forward all the way off the field of play and the 40. Can't do anything else.
Let me see you go. Okay, just hold it.
It's just alright, and it's fine. It's alright, yeah, I'm fine.
Right.
Is that
I'm all worried about my fucking teeth.
I've checked you. There's nothing on you at the moment. I'll call you back in a second. Okay? Make sure he's right.
Want some water more?
Short and sweet.
You sure?
Just a fat
Just-
isn't it?
Well done. What stickers? That's it. Finished.
Too bad, was it?
Yeah, 10 months, really good. That's a long journey. Yeah. Figure. I'll go a jumper.
Thank you very much, man. Cheers.
Jerry, legend. Well done, pal. Yes, you made it to the end. Well done. No problem. Well done, Mitch. Well done, Phil. Well done, Jackie. Yeah, this stays on.
Every time you went on, it was fucking off.
No, not that's why we don't have any. Finally, 10 months.